Did you know that there are plenty of platforms that help landlords and owners get more out of their property management business? Both DoorLoop and Funnel Leasing are options. This video explains the details of what both software offers, who it is best suited to, and how much each costs. I hope this video will help you make a decision on which is better for your business. Stick around till the end of the video for something special. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Just to let you know, I do work for DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. Funnel Leasing. Funnel Leasing is a property management system focused on marketing for listing and everything that goes with it. It helps track and analyze market trends, set rent prices, find quality tenants, and get your properties noticed. Funnel Leasing features automated email and text communication, lead generation with advanced marketing and reporting for listings, mobile lease management, comprehensive training, and impressive integrations list. Funnel Leasing pricing. Their bundles start at $1.80 per unit per month and can go up from there. Is there a free version of Funnel Leasing? Funnel Leasing invites all prospective new users to schedule a free demo. To access the trial, you must add details regarding your agency and portfolio, and then wait to find out if the request is accepted. If so, a personalized product demo is scheduled. Funnel Leasing benefits. Here's a quick look at the benefits and drawbacks to give you a better idea of whether or not this is the best choice for your team. One of the benefits is that it's designed to provide assistance through the entire leasing process, from automation, AI, and advanced technology to effective money management, communication tools, and valuable market insights. It really does cover all the bases for any leasing team. Another benefit is comprehensive training and support for leasing teams. Customer experience and service operations are great at Funnel Leasing. With comprehensive contact channels, including a 24/7 live rep and direct over-the-phone support. Funnel Leasing also offers an in-depth training courses for leasing teams to help make a success of the partnership. The platform shares webinars and live online or in-person training for employees in every company that works with Funnel Leasing. Now, let's talk about some things to consider. One of the things that is mentioned in their review is that it can be a complicated setup and implementation. The tools and technology provided through Funnel are expensive, and the implementation process takes some time. Deploying the system is a major procedure and quite complex, but there is someone appointed to every client to help get things started. Another thing is that on their pricing page, the bundles start at $1.80 per unit per month and up to $6.65 per unit per month. If you scroll down, you can see that it may even be more than that depending on the option you choose. Also, there may be an additional transactional fee. Now that we have discussed Funnel Leasing, let's dive into DoorLoop. DoorLoop is advanced yet accessible, not to mention affordable. You can handle rent collection, accounting, communications, and much more, all in one user-friendly and versatile package. The key features include comprehensive accounting tools with QuickBooks integrations, internal and external mobile communications, advanced owner portal for tracking and management, efficient and convenient rent management and payment portal, and much more. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop offers affordable packages starting at just $49 for up to 20 properties. There's also a free demo available. Click the link right here to schedule a free demo. Which option should you choose? Funnel Leasing has a great selection of features, but it may suit some and not so much others. DoorLoop is an excellent choice for everyone. It is affordable, accessible, and advanced, helping customers manage their listings, tenants, payments, and accounts. Remember that something special I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, since you watched this whole video, you may just get a special discount. Schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you. Go to www.doorloop.com/go or click the link above. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.